should not buy a VIOFO dashcam. In this video we will show you why. It's just terrible quality, even compared to an old GoPro. But first let me share some background information. Because I was looking for a camera to create some nice shots while we were driving. It can help to tell a nice story or maybe tell you where we are. And VIOFO offered to sponsor their camera. So I thought, well, this could be a good opportunity for collaboration. Later in this video we will do a giveaway of a VIOFO dashcam. So stay tuned for all of that. But first we will test and review the VIOFO dashcam. So let's start at the beginning. Hi, today we are going to install a dashcam. It is pretty fancy looking equipment with decent specs. Perhaps you're looking for a rear view camera when you are building your van, or perhaps you need it for security or insurance reasons. So yeah, perhaps this is something for you as well. It is a set of 3 cameras. It comes with a small device with a small screen which acts as the central device, the central hub. 2 2K cameras, the one on the front and the one on the back, and 1 night mode camera with infrared. And we are going to test it. Not really as a dashcam, but we are going to record footage with it. But first, let's install it.
Recording. 1 channel started. Recording. 2 channels started.
Wow, that was a quick install. That was super easy. I plugged it in. So I have the cigarette lighter plug, so that's here. I have a 24 volt system because it's a truck, but it should be just as easy with a 12 volt system. I can plug it in here and I can route it. So here and behind, and then behind, plastic, then it's going up there, behind, here, you can see it, and then it ends up there. It's easy because when I now plug it in, it starts up.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Perfect. So yeah, this is really easy. A couple of things that I will still do. I don't think that my wires will hold like this, so I will find a way that I can fix them better, maybe with some duct tape, I don't know. And the other thing is that this cable going to my camera is a bit on the long side, as you can see here. I've now put it here. so it's out of the way. Yeah, we'll find a shorter distance cable for that. This, of course, in a normal situation would be the rear view camera, but that camera yeah, I cannot use in a truck like this. So I thought, well, I can still use it. One camera is not enough to cover the whole cab of a truck. So I thought, well, then I can have two cameras, one facing Sabine and one facing me. Yeah, I think that could be fun. Maybe some nice footage, maybe to use. So until now, we can say that for touch and feel and ease of installation, there's no reason not to buy this VIOFO dashcam. But now we can really test it. So I see a horse there. So let's see if I film that horse, what happens. It now starts to record. There you see the horse in the background.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Now you see the quality of the GoPro, and I think I can change it now for the quality of the dash cam. Let's see. For me, the main camera just isn't good enough. It's just terrible quality, even compared to an old GoPro. But let's check and review the other cameras and situations as well. So, I saw two things in these shots. The first thing is that the internal cameras are okay-ish. And it's fun to have 3 cameras recording at the same time. So I think we will be using this for some YouTube videos. But the second thing is much more important. Because did you try to read the license plates of the cars in the video? Let's have a look at it again. So, even at low speed differences, the license plates cannot be read properly. In my opinion, that's bad. And now we have a problem. Because I promised VIOFO that I would only show their product when I was happy with the quality. And that is because I want to be 100% honest to you all the time. And that means, for me, that I will only show and recommend things that I would really use and like. And for me, the 2K VIOFO camera is just not good enough. It's grainy, a bit of unnatural colors. I don't like it, especially not for my YouTube videos. So I complained to VIOFO and they proposed to send me a better camera. And of course I like that. So I agreed. So let's have a look if the A229 PRO with 4K camera is better than the A229 PLUS with 2K camera. And for that I connected the cameras to a battery pack and took them outside. Yes, that works as well.
Recording. One channel started.
As you can see, the 4K camera is better than the 2K camera. Obviously, other cameras like a GoPro or a telephone camera provide a much more natural and nicer look. But I think I will still use the VIOFO A229 PRO with 4K camera for B-roll filming. It could be nice, especially with the internal cameras, to create some shots with. Additionally, I like it that you can just start it by connecting power to it. So if a situation arises, I can just plug it in and we have video. And the 2K camera we will never use. But for you, the 2K camera might be just right. And you are lucky, because we are doing a giveaway right now for the VIOFO A229 PLUS with 2K camera. Just type VIOFO Dashcam in the comments below to enter the giveaway and to get this dashcam for free. And it's not just a dashcam you will get, but there's more. So let's see what's in the box. So you'll get the A229 PLUS 2K dashcam and the user manual and all the required installation material, including a dashcam hardwire kit and much more. All in all, it's worth over €200 or over $200. The registration for this completely free giveaway will run for a month, and after that we will select the winner. So make sure to enter and watch our next videos. So perhaps it's a good idea to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And with that, we've almost come to the end of this video. But before we stop, I would like to thank Robbo for sponsoring our channel. Thank you very much, it's highly appreciated. And to all others, I'd like to say thanks for watching. We were happy you were here. And if you were really liked our content, perhaps you can also consider subscribing or perhaps even sponsor us. And for now, we wish you all the best in the giveaway and we hope to see you later. Bye bye.